Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to make mac and cheese casserole. It is a lot easier than you think it would be. First thing I'm going to do is grab the box and see how much water I need. A quart or 6 cups. There we go. American measurements. And we're going to cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. While my water is boiling, I'm going to cut up these chives I bought. We're going to add a little flavor with chives today. And just, you don't need to eat the root. There's nothing in there you want or need. See, now that they're all cut up, this will be really easy to mix and incorporate into my mixing bowl with my mac and cheese. And I also got the Hormel chili with no beans, because we're going to be layering the mac and cheese and the chili and mozzarella cheese in there. Then we're going to bake it. It's all going to bake together and it's going to be delicious. Now that my water's boiled, I've added my noodles to the water to give them a little stir so they don't clump up. Put a lid back on and reduce the heat a little bit. Now while that's cooking, we're going to get our Hormel chili with no beans going. Okay, my noodles are done cooking. My Hormel chili is nice and hot. See it bubbling up. Look good. So I'm going to leave that there off to the side for a minute. And take my noodles over here to the strainer in the sink. Pour them in. Uh-oh. I need a spatula for that. With these shells, you want to shake them a little bit because they'll trap water in them. Just shake them a little bit. That'll be good. I'm going to add those directly to my mixing bowl with my chives already cut up in it. Strainer in the sink. Next step, I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil, put it in this pan. I'm going to take my hand and just kind of smear it around. This will keep the macaroni from sticking to the pan itself. It can be a little hard to get it on the sides, but if you just kind of work your hand in there a little bit and pull up, kind of like I'm doing, you'll get there. I think I'll put a little more in. Not a lot, just a little bit. Nothing to see here, just playing with oil. There, it's nice and slimy. Good to go. Rinse my hand off. There's my mac and cheese and chives all mixed up with the cheese sauce in it. What I'm going to do is get my spoodle out. Yes, that's what it's called, the giant spoon. It's called a spoodle. I'm not making that one up. I'm put down a little layer at the bottom of my pan and use my spoodle to flatten it out. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little mozzarella cheese in here, just like so. And make a little layer of it. Now it's Hormel chili time. Oh no, the top's stuck. Set that over there. Come over here with this. Again, grab the spoodle. Don't even bother wiping it off. It's all going in the same place anyway. Just pour it on a little bit. This will give it a nice meaty flavor. I've also preheated my oven to 350 degrees. That's ready to go right now as soon as I'm done with this. Move that over there. More mac and cheese. Grab a big old scoop, pour it on. Kind of flatten it out, like so. Not much left. I kind of want another layer. More cheese. All this cheese is going to help it stick together. Back when I was in restaurants, I used to say glue it together with cheese. It's true. Get a little cheese, put it in between something, and it'll stick. There. See, I've got my nice little layer, second layer of cheese. Now I'm going to get some more chili. A little more of this. Pour it on. Kind of running out of chili here. No, I never made this in a restaurant. This is something I came up with years ago. All my viewers are asking for macaroni and cheese recipes. Oh, here you go. Oh boy, where can I set this? Where can I set this? Look at that, magic. I'm going to use a spatula to clean this pan out. Okay, now I've got all the mac and cheese and the chili in there, so I'm going to top it off with a bunch of cheese. Spread it around. I think a little more cheese. I like cheese. Don't need the spoodle anymore, or the pan lid. Good. Okay, now I'm going to place it into the oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to pull this thing out of the oven with a little hot glove. Ugh. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely delicious looking. I'm going to give it about, I don't know, 5 minutes to kind of cool down and not be so liquidy. I'm sure turn the oven off. Alright. Sorry. Okay, it's been a few minutes. And now I'm just going to use my spatula to cut out a little bit of this. See how this goes. Oh, come on. Ooh. Well, whatever that did to me.